Dear viewers, in today's video, we're going to show you the top 10 woodworking tools you need to consider buying this year. Let's begin. MILESCRAFT 1620 SANDPLANE. The MILESCRAFT 1620 SANDPLANE is a versatile hand sanding tool designed for intricate surfaces. With a compact design and a diameter of 5 inches, it accepts standard 5-inch, 125mm sanding discs, making it convenient for various sanding tasks. The hook and loop feature prevents sandpaper from slipping, providing comfort and stability during use. Equipped with 4 interchangeable sanding profiles for concave, convex, V-groove, and flat surface sanding, this tool offers flexibility to tackle different sanding projects with ease. Whether you're working on curved or flat surfaces, the MILESCRAFT 1620 SANDPLANE ensures efficient and precise sanding results. Crafted with quality materials and backed by a 2-year limited warranty, it's a reliable companion for both amateur and professional woodworkers alike. CAMO MARKSMAN Pro X1 Deck Tool. The CAMO MARKSMAN Pro X1 Deck Tool revolutionizes deck installation with its hidden edge fastening feature. Designed for edge fastening installation, it drives 2 patented CAMO edge deck screws through the edge of the deck board, providing a fastener-free surface. With automatic spacing and a spacing of 1/16 inch, it fits any 5 to 1/4 inch to 5 3/4 inch deck board. Ideal for treated lumber, composite, and PVC decking materials. This tool reduces splitting and cracking while providing a strong and aesthetically pleasing finish. The built-in warming tray allows you to have everything hot and ready for serving, while the removable drip tray ensures easy cleanup. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the CAMO MARKSMAN Pro X1 Deck Tool is a must-have for efficient and professional deck installations. SKIL JS820202 Cordless Jigsaw. The SKIL JS820202 Cordless Jigsaw offers high-performance cutting capabilities with its 20V cordless design and digital brushless motor. With efficient power delivery, it can cut through wood, metal surfaces, and more with ease. The industry-leading PWR Core 20 lithium battery technology provides longer runtime and 2x battery life, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Equipped with a dust blower, it directs dust for a clear view of your cut line, while the easy blade changes with a tool-free blade clamp allow for fast and efficient operation. The 4-stage orbital function enables precise control from slow starts to faster cuts, with up to 3,000 strokes per minute. Additionally, the Jigsaw kit includes a PWR Core 22.0 lithium battery with PWR Assist USB mobile charging and a PWR jump charger for quick and convenient charging. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, the SKIL JS820202 Cordless Jigsaw is a reliable and versatile tool for woodworking and construction projects. KREG KHI-CDIJ Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. KREG KHI-CDIJ Cabinet Door Mounting Jig simplifies the installation of cabinet doors, ensuring precise and professional results. Compatible with both frameless and face frame cabinets, this versatile jig offers adjustable settings for left-hand and right-hand doors. Featuring 2 micro-adjustment shims, it allows for precise placement of cabinet doors, eliminating guesswork and ensuring a perfect fit. The support arm provides extra stability, allowing you to secure the door hinge with ease while freeing up your other hand for installation. With its premium metal construction and unfinished finish, this cabinet door mounting jig offers durability and reliability for long-term use. For both woodworking enthusiasts and professional carpenters alike, the KREG KHI-CDIJ Cabinet Door Mounting Jig stands out as an essential tool for achieving professional quality cabinet installations. KINGSON Adjustable Setup Block Height Gauge. The KINGSON Adjustable Setup Block Height Gauge is a versatile tool designed for precise woodworking setups. With a range from 1/64 inch to 1 1/16 inches in 1/64 inch increments, it offers precise adjustments for router, drill, and table saw setups. The quick adjustment and locking accuracy feature allow for easy and precise height adjustments with just 3 simple steps. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, the base and reference board are meticulously machined for durability and accuracy. The adjusting screw shaft is made of high-grade stainless steel for added strength and reliability. Equipped with double scales for height and depth setting, this setup block height gauge offers versatility for a wide range of woodworking applications. Compact and easy to use, it's the perfect accessory for achieving professional quality results in woodworking projects. GANASAN ABS Miter Saw Protractor. The GANASAN ABS Miter Saw Protractor is an essential tool for woodworking and construction projects, offering precise angle measurement and marking capabilities. With a 14-inch protractor angle finder, Both inside and outside angles can be accurately determined, eliminating guesswork and ensuring perfect cuts every time. The Rotate to Lock angle feature allows users to secure the desired angle in place for consistent results. Additionally, the protractor is equipped with a scale for quick length marking during measurements. Designed for convenience and portability, the protractor features a magnetic merger with a magnet on the tail, allowing for easy storage and transportation. It also includes a 0 degrees and 90 degrees balance calibrator to ensure accurate measurements by keeping the protractor on the same plane vertically and horizontally. KREG KWS 500 Track Horse Tool. The KREG KWS 500 Track Horse Tool is a versatile work support system designed to meet the needs of woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Serving as a clamping center, work support, sawhorse, and more, this aluminum and steel track horse provides unmatched stability and durability for a wide range of tasks. Featuring 6 different height adjustments and a portable folding design, the track horse is convenient to use and easy to transport and store. When paired with another track horse or mobile project center, it can support up to 2,200 pounds, creating a large workspace for even the most demanding projects. Included with the track horse are a KREG 3-inch bench clamp for support brackets, 2 track bushings with screws, and an instruction manual, providing everything you need to get started right away. BOSCH 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit. The BOSCH 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit offers unparalleled versatility and performance for woodworking professionals and enthusiasts. This kit includes both a plunge router and a fixed base, allowing for precise bit plunging, edge forming, slot cutting, laminate trimming, and dovetail cutting. Powered by a 12-amp motor and featuring a variable speed dial, 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, the router delivers consistent power and optimal speed for a wide range of applications. The built-in constant response circuitry ensures a steady speed throughout the cut, resulting in cleaner and more accurate results. With its durable aluminum construction and ergonomic design, the router provides maximum control and comfort during operation. The precision centering design and microfine bit depth adjustment allow for easy and precise bit adjustments, while the included 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collet chucks accommodate a variety of router bits. Woodpeckers Carpenters Precision Square. The Woodpeckers Precision Carpenter Square sets a new standard for accuracy and reliability in woodworking tools. CNC machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, this square offers unparalleled precision and durability compared to stamped or molded squares. Its 6-inch size makes it ideal for quick 45 and 90-degree angle marking, while inch graduations add versatility for a wide range of carpentry and woodworking tasks. Featuring a beefier shoulder and precision machined surfaces, the square provides a solid footing for assembly checks and accurate marking of construction lumber. The bright Woodpeckers red anodized finish not only stands out on the job site but also protects against wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Proudly made in the USA, the Woodpeckers Precision Carpenter Square is meticulously machined and inspected in their Strongsville, Ohio facility. ROCKWELL AW400 Oscillating Multi-Tool. The ROCKWELL AW400F 80 Sonic Rafter Oscillating Multi-Tool is a versatile and powerful tool designed to tackle a wide range of cutting, scraping, and sanding tasks with ease. Featuring dual oscillation technology, users can choose between a 5.0-degree angle for fast, aggressive cuts or a 3.4-degree angle for precision and continuous control. The tool-free blade holding system, known as Hyperlock, offers 1 ton of holding force for quick and reliable blade changes, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. With a variable speed dial ranging from 10,000 to 19,000 oscillations per minute, users can precisely control the tool's performance to suit the task at hand. Powered by a robust 4.2-amp motor, the AW400F 80 Sonic Rafter provides constant speed and won't stall, even under heavy loads. It comes equipped with 9 accessories, including standard and precision wood blades, a bimetal blade, a scraper, a semicircle HSS blade, 3 sanding triangles, and a sanding pad, ensuring versatility for various applications. Additionally, the tool features a built-in LED work light for enhanced visibility in dimly lit workstations, further improving accuracy and safety during operation. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 10 woodworking tools you need to see will help you find your best fit.